Okay, get ready, set, go!
Go!
Okay, go down the steps, look in the grass.
Hey, wait!
That's okay, there's a lot.
Go,
Christian.
There you go.
Hey!
That's okay.
Oh,
You're
Alex,
going
it's for
different
both of y'all.
directions.
Everybody look.
Look around.
Yeah. Oh, okay, you found it. Okay, now Christian's got to find his big one. Pick it up and put it in there. Oh, it's Christian's over there?
Yeah.
Christian!
Go to Alex.
Go over there to Alex.
Look behind the statue.
You missed the egg
Look
on the
behind
statue.
That's going to take up his whole phone now.
It's like a dinosaur egg.
Look at me. Alex.
There you go.
Here, I'll hold that.
Alex is on the hunt.
He's going for it, ain't he?
Here's one in the bush.
Yeah.
I found
Oma.
my candy. I found my.
You found your Diego one?
Yeah.
Oh, it's
Let
both
me
of
see
them
your
there.
Diego one.
So Christian's got to find his
Let
Diego
me see
one.
your Diego one.
Oh, look, he's still finding some up there. He's going for it.
You found it.
I got
Look around, Christian. Look around, Alex.
There's more.
Here's some.
Oh my God.
Yeah, Christian,
Getting
come over
a
here.
lot.
Look.
They're by the house. They're by
Yeah. Oh,
Oh, baby. Is there more?
look in the flower pot. There
I see
you
Is
go.
there more?
Yeah, there's more. They're just everywhere.
Christian.
Oh, Alex.
I see more. I see more too.
Okay.
Look around.
There's some more over here.
There's one.
Look over here.
Yeah, in the crabgrass.
I see some over here.
I got the biggest one.
Look around.
Diego. I got Diego too.
Boys, great. You both got your Diegos. Look.
Alex, let me
Look
see.
at they're here.
Let me see. Show me. Show me.
Look over here around the
Where
car.
did I get some? Where is it?
I see some over there in the grass.
Oh, there's some
More in
Hey,
the yard.
Yeah.
That's okay.
No, there's more. Come on, Alex. Look.
No, no, no.
No, there's more out there.
Keep looking, you guys.
Christian, look over here. I see one out that way, by the driveway.
I did too. I see some
Look by the driveway.
Where?
Look all around. Look at the grass. Some more over here. And this
Alex,
there.
Look here, Alex.
Go over there.
Yeah. Look, Alex.
Hey, one crab.
That's all right.
It's correct.
Here's the money.
Oh, you got money.
All right.
No.
That goes in your pocket.
I put the money in my ear for that.
I see.
more, boys.
I do too. I see all kinds.
Look around, y'all.
Almost sees all kinds, and she don't even have her glasses on.
Look!
Wow.
Wasn't that blue?
Hey, look here, Alex. Alex, I kind of see some on the porch. Do you?
Yeah.
I didn't see that one, but
I
Christian.
can see one of the bees.
yeah. Christian, I kind of see some over here.
What?
I kind of see some on the porch. Do you? Alex, look, I kind of see some on the car. Christian, look, I kind of see some on the porch. Look at me. Look, I kind of see some on the porch.
Look on the Kia.
Look on top.
Look on top of the Kia.
Look, Alex. Look, Christian, do you see any right here? Look. Do you-
Oh!
Maybe
I see
one.
3 more.
Did you get that one?
Yep. I see 3 more in the yard.
No.
Alex, come here. Come in the yard. Look in the yard,
I see 3
guys.
more just around in the yard around here.
Yep.
You guys come look around that. Real good. Look at the grass real good. It might be high. Don't get by the road though.
Oh, there you
It's not
go.
far. It's up here somewhere. We need to put it close to the road. Look in the. Maybe there might be some in clovers.
Alright. Alex, go look. There's more. Trust me.
Guys, look around all the trees. Maybe they're hiding.
Alex, go forward.
There's more. There's more.
There's plenty of eggs, boys. Easter Bunny didn't see me.
There's more. Trust me, there is more.
Hey, now, y'all don't fight.
There's more. Alex, come over here. I found more. Come here. Come here. Look for more. You need to look for more on this tree.
No.
Look around the tree.
There you go. There you go. Y'all finding all kind of eggs.
Around this tree. No,
Okay, come back over this way, Christian.
look around the tree.
I think you guys got them all from over
You
there.
got them all. You and Christian.
I see one that nobody else
Christian
sees.
got a lot too.
Hey, I see one nobody sees.
There's one more, I know.
What about the Garage?
G-A.
You know,
What about that?
GAYS.
Look where I put that one out there on that
Oh, it's
angel.
already inside? There's one like
Guys, I see another
I
one.
know, but I'm thinking about
Look at the one out there on the angel.
Huh?
See the one out there on the angel?
Getting warmer.
There is? Oh my god.
I put one there.
Warmer. That was it.
I see another
Big,
one.
there's one on the angel. I didn't even see
Let's
it.
see where else. Look at one out there.
Alex,
I think there's still a couple more out there in the yard.
Alex, run that way.
one more.
Christian, run this way. And you will find the last two. Alex,
Okay,
you
Alex.
go that way. You go
Christian,
that way.
you come this
and
way.
Christian, you come this way. And that's the last two. Alex, go over there.
Christian,
Go
gotta
over there
look
to
up
the
and
angel,
down.
to the statue.
Especially
Christian, come over here on the porch. Come over
Yeah,
here.
maybe
We need to
it's
finish
better
this
from the
up on the good note.
That's right. Look on the rail.
Look on the statue. Look on the
Look on the
porch.
statue. Look on the porch right there. Christian, look.
Christian, look on the porch.
Oh, he found it.
All right.
Yay! They got them all.
Let me see. We got them all.
You guys are awesome egg hunters.
It's with their Easter basket.
Okay, come here. I'm going to take a picture of you two. Stand on the
Wow. You guys are good.
Yeah.
Here's your big
Stand
one.
under the tree.
Stick that bad boy in there.
All right.
Here, hold it in the middle of the. Hold it right here. Hold it right here. Put your hand.
Go, Christian. Go close. Go stand right next to
Your basket, Brian.
There you go.
Smile. Do another one. More. Okay. Give me Christian. Smile. So cute.
Alex, look at
Uh-oh.
It's okay.
That's okay. I'll put it together. Watch.
They're all good. They're all good. It's all right this one anyway.
Hey, let's go check it around the back.
I think that's all of them.
No, let's check around the back. We need to.
I bet there's
Zoom
one
in on that
more.
big egg you got, Dad.
Oh, right.
Show the camera your big basket full of eggs.
Man, that big old egg about took up everything, didn't it?
Yeah, that's why I held on to it for him.
Smile, Christian.
Smile.
Smile again, baby. Yeah, I took a snapshot of that too with my camera.
No, that one was from the grass. Yeah.
I bet there's another one out there.
Wait a minute.
Huh?
Including the big eggs, there's 52.
Y'all probably need to
I have to count 'em.
first.
Don't get me. Don't get me.
Mama, what's